People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Yo, welcome back to my channel, people. Big up in yourself and thank you guys for tuning in. So, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has hinted on the return of sporting events in Jamaica. Him goes on to say new measures for sporting events. Cabinet has given approval for certain sporting event to proceed. However, the organizers of the sporting event must apply to the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development and the Ministry of Health and Wellness to get approved. We propose to allow no spectator sporting events, both indoors and outdoors, with the necessary permits from the requisite local government authority. As part of the approval process by the relevant local government authority, the event organizers must satisfy the authority regarding their ability to ensure all the relevant protocols, sanitation, temperature checks of athletes, coaches, and officials, physical distancing of at least 6 feet between individuals where practicable, wearing of masks at all times except for participating in strenuous activities. So yeah, people, them hint on the return of sporting events. It was mentioned in Parliament today. Check out the video of him actually talking about it, people, and let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section. All right, big up in yourself, people. Much love and appreciation.
Now, Cabinet has also considered sporting events. And let me take some time to explain this. Prior to now, the policy was not to allow sporting events. We contemplated this over 2 days. We had our COVID meeting on Friday, and we met again on Monday. And the decision is that sporting events can be allowed under conditions. And the Minister of Local Government, the Minister of Sports, the Minister of Health will, in due course, explain in more detail what these conditions are. This, and just to be clear, this is not a wide-scale return of sports. We have to, first of all, go through a process where we look at each sporting event and what they require, and the specific public health protocols that can be put in place to ensure that they are safe. Each sporting event will have to apply for approval to be held. So they have to go to the Ministry of Local Government, work with the Minister of Sports as their advocate, and the Minister of Health to put together a package. Many of them already have solutions. We see solutions applying all over the world. For those who watch, football league, I see one avid football fan from West Kingston here. Liverpool. So we have seen various models and modalities where this can be done, and we believe we can do them in Jamaica. And, we have our athletes who have really suffered. I can imagine how dejected they would feel. No World Cup, no Olympics. They have trained for so long. But we're going to find a way to get them back on the field, get them back on the track, and get sporting events going. It may be, Madam Speaker, that in the first instance, these sports would have to be spectatorless. Yes. Meaning that they could play on the field, it would be televised, broadcast, but no spectators would be in the area. And this would also apply for when they are training as well. So it's the bubble concept that would apply. And there are some specific sporting events which the Minister of Sport at some later date will give more details on as to how these will be approved and be permitted to be done.